Nang bandon ke Jingleit ke bajan bat ki nong trai kumjo iki kena Samla ki badan ha National Cadet Corps NCC ki bala ai ka jing shakri ya ki nong shong snong kari bat ke jela ha ka armu khandai tre unailar arja arpusa ulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ulale Jngoh ek jaka ai jing kai ya ki kena Samla ki bade ki khot ka National Cadet Corps NCC ke North Eastern Region ke badan harai no Shillong Hakategi Jingleit Jngoh ya ulat la sinran lang daki PI staff jong ka NCC bat ki cadets ki bala pedang sungo bahaya u haringkat kaput ketam. Haba ai jing kran ulat ula Kyntu ki Samla NCC makin tur saprang bat ban long ru kum ki Shipai kari India kata makin long ki bala pen Khreh ban ai ki jing shakri ya kari bat ka jella ha ki jing jia basa penjat ha ka Mariang ki jing tua khando ki jing slai nalor ki weipan.
We know the sacrifice, dedication, commitment, concern toward the nation, particularly who is going to join the defense, who wanted to be the soldier of the nation, and the other side, the younger generation, who is supposed to come up, take care of the family, take care of the society, take care of the nation. We are supposed to be morally and physically fit and understand the responsibilities, social responsibilities, as well as our own responsibilities. In that way, if at all we are able to put any of the organization who can train the upcoming generation in a proper manner, I am proud to say that credit goes to the Indian Army. And moreover, I am more proud to say the NCC activities, training and rest of the all other activities, we see in the entire nation, wherever we see in the entire country, these activities being conducted, being taken care of by the Indian Army. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Wherever you choose to serve in the armed forces, contribute to civil society or pursue other career paths. Remember, the lesson you have learned here will stay with your lifetime. They will guide you, shape you, and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. You may continue to serve with honor, integrity, and dedication, and you always keep the spirit of NCC alive in your hearts. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Hadian ke program lengkot ladan ru ke jingpen I drill dagi kena NCC unit jong ke school auxilium ki bala pen chongshit I ke jingwan Jngoh ulat ke jela ya ke center bat kum ban pen slur su ikini ki kena NCC ulat ke jela ula khot ngobhai ki bandon lang ha ke sngi Republic Day house number 1.
award of 21,000 rupees. So please give him a loud ovation. Make it very clear here. This January 26th program of Raj Bhavan, officially you are going to be invited and you are going to be part of the Raj Bhavan programs. All the best.
Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.